What do you expect from yourself? In today's video, let's delve deeper into this. Hi, I'm Astha Tatia, daughter of two rock-solid pillars, mother to a lovely daughter, wife of a humor king, an engineer, MBA, corporate executive turned anchor person, now a happiness coach, helping leaders become the most sought-after leaders by having deep connects and meaningful relationships in their organizations. Do hit the like button if you're able to relate with this video, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel. There are 2 new videos out here on the channel every day. Well, so do you feel that there is too much to be done, you don't have the time, the people around you just don't understand, there is so much that you have to do, and somewhere they don't cooperate, they don't understand the importance of it. Then you feel that probably I'm not able to manage this well. I need to finish this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Will I be able to do it or not? Right? And my boss wants me to finish all of this. If I don't do it, then my job is at stake. I'm supposed to be doing all of this. Yeah. My team is, I'm anyway not able to connect with them. They're far off remotely. We're all working remotely. How do I connect with them? So it's double the work, I have to handle this also, and I have this meeting also today, and then I have to finish these so many things, and the time is just passing. How will I do it? Probably there's an issue with me only. I've just slowed down, and with this additional responsibility, my spouse just doesn't understand. They want to spend time, but where do I get the time from? Watching a movie together? Can't even think of it. Yeah, because there's such a huge backlog. If only I could finish all of this. Even if I go there with them, I don't really enjoy. I think I should get back to work. Does any of this sound familiar? कुछ भी इनमें से आपको ऐसा लगता है, आप रिलेट कर पा रहे हो, या एक फ्लेवर इसी का किसी और फॉर्म में आप अपने आप को बोलते हुए आपने कभी पकड़ा है? If yes, then my question to you is, what are you expecting from yourself? Is it really about the spouse or the boss or the team or the people around or your kids or less time? Is it really all about these? अगर आप बैठकर लॉजिकली एक एक चीज़ को सोचते हैं, क्या ये इन लोगों के या इन सिचुएशंस या इन एस्पेक्ट्स के बारे में है? No, it actually boils down to your expectations from yourself. You are being a victim of your own expectations if you are saying all of this to yourself. Okay? आपने खुद के लिए कुछ सिस्टम्स बना लिए हैं, कुछ चीज़ें बना ली हैं, कुछ बिलीफ से जहाँ से आप ऑपरेट कर रहे हैं, आपके हिसाब से ऐसा ही होना चाहिए. अगर ऐसा होगा देन आप खरे उतरते हैं अपनी एक्सपेक्टेशंस पर. अगर मैंने ये नहीं किया तो आपके लिए इट लीड्स टू देन आई एम नॉट गुड इनफ, आई एम मे बी नॉट अप टू द मार्क, आई जस्ट डोंट हैव इट इन मी, आई एम अ फेलियर. ये जितनी चीज़ें आती हैं, ये बिलीव्स जो आप कैरी कर रहे हो, इन बिलीव्स से बचने के लिए, राइट, टू कवर अप, टू कोप अप विद ऑल ऑफ दिस, you say all of this to yourself and you do all of this to yourself, and then you act like a victim all the time, right? Just relate to all of this, get into your life and see you may be doing it in some or the other way. तो जब आप ऐसा कर रहे हो, आप अपने आप से वो अनरियलिस्टिक एक्सपेक्टेशंस सेट कर रहे हो, just to cover up for those beliefs, because those beliefs are governing you. And if you don't do this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then you're not good enough. My boss wants this from me. If I'm not doing it, my job is at stake. मैं नहीं कर पाया तो फिर क्या होगा? I am not good enough. और मैं नहीं कर पाया और उसने कर लिया, I'm not up to the mark. those beliefs are so strong and they are governing you, and you don't want, for you it's these are the coping mechanisms, right? Now my question is, do you really want to be living like this? इसके दो इफेक्ट्स हैं. सबसे पहला, द वे इट मेक्स यू फील. आप एक्चुअली अगर देखेंगे तो आप पूरे दिन में कैसा महसूस करते हैं अगर आप, इफ यू आर लिविंग लाइक अ विक्टिम. और विक्टिम भी कहाँ? टू योर ओन एक्सपेक्टेशंस. योर बॉस, your spouse, they may not even have those kind of expectations, which are not something that you can meet. Quite possible they just want that little time. Quite possible कि उनके हिसाब से ये कर दो. Your boss may want you to finish a certain task which may not even be an emergency. He's willing to listen to you when you say that can I finish it in next 2 days, and he may be okay with it. But because you have that expectation from yourself, because of the beliefs that you are carrying, you will launch the attack on yourself. Happens? और उसका impact ये है कि पहला तो आप महसूस करते हैं horrible, hopeless, failure, not good enough, वो सारी चीज़ें आ जाती हैं, frustrated. और उसके साथ साथ आप अपने लिए एक habit बना रहे हैं. Because when you're doing it again and again, then that becomes your coping mechanism. So instead of a healthy coping mechanism, which is communicating, which is striking a good conversation, saying, sharing what you're concerned about, asking for extra time, understanding what you really want, वो सब नहीं करके आप ये कर रहे हैं. So one, it makes you feel bad. It takes a toll on your health, physical as well as mental. And third, because it's become a habit for you, over time you lose touch with what you really want. आप ये भूल जाते हो कि एक्चुअली मैं चाहता क्या हूँ, मुझे क्या खुशी देगा. आपको लगता है नहीं, getting back to work, doing this, thinking about my work, what more can I do 10 more things, बस ये मेरी दुनिया है. You start losing touch with other things because वो सब आपको waste of time लगने लगता है कई बार, right? तो in the long run, this doesn't serve you. That whole victim feeling will only grow stronger and stronger. So you need to be aware and mindful. बाहर कोई भी नहीं है जो आपको ऐसा महसूस करा रहा है, या जिसकी वजह से ये सब हो रहा है, या जिसकी expectations है जिस पर आपको खरा उतरना है. आपकी सेल्फ इम्पोज्ड एक्सपेक्टेशंस है जो आप फुलफिल करना चाहते हो. और वो क्यों आ रही है? बिकॉज ऑफ द बिलीव्स दैट यू आर कैरिंग. दिस इज हाउ आई एम सपोज्ड टू बी इफ आई रियली वांट टू बी a winner, if I want that acknowledgement, if I want people to say wow, there's an image that you want to live up to, and so many other things. So to survive, you're doing all of this. So the whole purpose of this video is to bring up, or for you to get aware, mindful, just pause and stop being a victim of your own expectations. Just stop being a victim of your own expectations. आपने अपने आप को इतना लाद दिया है और आप विक्टिम बन गए हो खुद ही की एक्सपेक्टेशंस के. खुद ही परेशान कर रहे हो और खुद परेशान हो भी रहे हो. Get that? So just take it easy. Plan out for yourself. Sit down and decide for yourself, what do you really want? Yes, work is important or this aspect is important, but what do I also want to do? How can I balance out things? Trust me, nothing is going anywhere. ये सिर्फ यहाँ पर है. You need to just see what my beliefs are that are driving me. Are they really true? If I don't do these two things, is my job really at stake? Or if I'm not going to do this, I'm not good enough and there's somebody else who will finish it off. No, you have no idea about that someone else's struggles. So take it easy. If you really want to enjoy, then prioritize that, where you're enjoying your work also, your family life also, and all that you really want to do. Stick to whatever you're saying. Figure out and then stick to it. You'll be happier. You'll feel you'll have that sense of self-respect, self-confidence. Yeah. So do hit the like button if you found this meaningful. Subscribe to the channel. There is a lot of content that is available here, and every day there are 2 new videos that come up here. You surely do not want to miss out on them. So if you find value here, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. See you soon. Take care. Bye bye.